Welcome to the ultimate guide to the best bike tools. Whether you're a professional cyclist, a weekend warrior, or simply someone who enjoys the occasional ride, having the right tools for bike maintenance is crucial. From fixing a flat to adjusting your chain, these tools will ensure that your bike runs smoothly and safely. In today's video, we'll go through 7 top-rated tools that every cyclist should have in their toolkit. Let's dive into the details and find out which tools are perfect for your bike repair. Number 1. Bike Link Plier Plus Chain Breaker Tool. Starting off our list is the Bike Link Plier Plus Chain Breaker Tool, a must-have for any cyclist who values self-reliance on the road. This tool combines the functionality of 2 essential devices, a chain link plier and a chain breaker. Together, they make chain maintenance and repairs a breeze, whether you're on the go or working in your garage. The chain link plier is designed to easily remove and reconnect quick links, which can be tricky to handle without the right tool. The plier's ergonomic design offers a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during use. As for the chain breaker, it excels in precision when removing or inserting pins, allowing for smooth and efficient chain adjustments. Made from high-quality steel, both components are durable and built to withstand the wear and tear of regular use. Compact and lightweight, this dual-purpose tool is perfect for cyclists who want a reliable, portable solution for chain maintenance. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, the Bike Link Plier Plus Chain Breaker Tool is an indispensable part of any cyclist's toolkit, ensuring that you're never stuck with a broken chain.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. CXWXC Bike Repair Stand. Next up is the CXWXC Bike Repair Stand, an absolute game changer for cyclists who prefer doing their own repairs. One of the most challenging aspects of bike maintenance is finding a stable platform to work on your bike, and this repair stand solves that problem elegantly. The stand is constructed from sturdy aluminum alloy, ensuring it's lightweight but still incredibly stable. Its adjustable height and 360-degree rotating clamp make it easy to access every part of your bike. Whether you're tuning up the derailleur, adjusting the brakes, or cleaning the frame, the non-slip rubber feet provide additional stability, ensuring the stand doesn't move or tip over during repairs. What makes the CXWXC stand particularly useful is its portability. It folds down easily for storage or transport, making it ideal for those with limited space or those who like to take their repair station on the road. The durable construction ensures long-term reliability, while the user-friendly design makes this a fantastic investment for anyone looking to elevate their DIY bike repairs. 3. WOTOW 16-in-1 Bike Repair Toolkit. For cyclists who want an all-in-one solution, the WOTOW 16-in-1 Bike Repair Toolkit is the perfect option. This compact and highly portable kit combines multiple essential tools into one, allowing you to handle a wide range of repairs and adjustments while on the road. The kit includes a variety of Allen keys, wrenches, screwdrivers, and even a spoke wrench, all in a foldable, easy-to-carry design. Made from durable stainless steel, these tools are built to withstand constant use without wearing out. Whether you're tightening bolts, adjusting your seat post, or making minor tweaks to your brakes, this kit has you covered. Its compact size means it fits easily into a saddlebag or pocket, ensuring that you're never without the right tool during a ride. The user-friendly design makes it easy to switch between tools quickly, and the durability ensures that it will last for years of cycling adventures. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cyclist, the WOTOW 16-in-1 Bike Repair Toolkit is a reliable companion for tackling unexpected issues during a ride. Number 4. Maintenance is a critical part of bike upkeep, and the ATLIN bike chain tool is designed to make this task as simple as possible. This tool excels at breaking and reconnecting bike chains, ensuring that you can replace a damaged link or adjust your chain length with minimal effort. The ATLIN chain tool is made from high-strength steel, offering exceptional durability and precision. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing you to apply consistent pressure without slipping. The pin driver is adjustable, ensuring that you can work with various chain sizes, from standard road bikes to mountain bikes. What sets this chain tool apart is its ease of use. Even if you're new to bike maintenance, the clear design makes it intuitive to use. Whether you're swapping out an old chain or fine-tuning your existing one, The ATLIN bike chain tool ensures that you can handle the task quickly and effectively, a must-have for any cyclist looking to take control of their bike's performance. Number 4. Tube Patch Kit. Flat tires are inevitable for cyclists, but with the bike tire repair kits, in a tube patch kit, you'll be back on the road in no time. This kit is designed to provide everything you need to quickly and easily repair a punctured inner tube, so you're not stuck walking your bike home. The kit includes a set of durable patches, tie levers, and adhesive, making it easy to fix punctures on the go. The tie levers are sturdy and ergonomically designed, allowing you to easily remove the tire from the rim without damaging it. The patches themselves are highly durable, ensuring a long-lasting repair that will hold up under the rigors of regular riding. Compact and easy to carry, this kit fits into any saddlebag or backpack, ensuring that you're always prepared for a flat. The straightforward instructions make it easy to use, even for beginners, and the quality of the components ensures reliable performance. Whether you're on a long ride or a short commute, this patch kit is an essential part of your bike gear. Number 6. Bike Torque Wrench Kit. For cyclists who take their bike maintenance seriously, the LEXIVON 15-piece bike torque wrench kit is an essential tool. Properly torquing bolts is crucial for both safety and performance, and this wrench kit allows you to apply precise amounts of torque to critical components like the handlebars, seat post, and brakes. The kit includes a variety of bits and sockets, all made from high-quality, hardened steel for durability. The torque wrench itself is adjustable, with a gear scale that allows you to dial in the exact torque required for each part of your bike. This ensures that you're not over-tightening or under-tightening bolts, which can lead to component failure or poor performance. What makes this kit particularly valuable is its attention to detail. The wrench's ergonomic handle ensures comfort during use, while the locking mechanism ensures accuracy. The included storage case keeps everything organized and easily accessible. For anyone who wants to ensure their bike is in top condition, the LEXIVON Torque Wrench Kit is a worthy investment that enhances both safety and performance. Number 4. Rounding out our list is the Oumers Universal Bike Chain Tool, a versatile and easy-to-use tool for maintaining your bike chain. Whether you're adjusting the length of your chain or replacing a damaged link, this tool simplifies the process and ensures a smooth, precise adjustment every time. Made from hardened steel, the Oumers chain tool is incredibly durable, able to withstand repeated use without wearing out. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing you to apply consistent force without hand fatigue. The adjustable design makes it compatible with a wide range of bike chains, from standard road bikes to heavier-duty mountain bike chains. The compact design makes it easy to carry with you on rides, ensuring that you're never left stranded by a broken chain. Even if you're new to bike maintenance, the intuitive design of this tool makes it easy to use, allowing you to confidently handle chain repairs and adjustments. For cyclists of all skill levels, the Oumers Universal Bike Chain Tool is a must-have for ensuring smooth and reliable performance. Thank you for tuning into our ultimate guide to the best bike tools. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or just starting out, having the right tools can make a huge difference in your biking experience. From chain maintenance to tire repairs, these 7 tools will help you keep your bike in top shape, ensuring safer and smoother rides. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cycling tips and product reviews. Stay safe and happy riding.